Hi, welcome to our first level 2 algebra video. Now, in level 2 algebra, we're going to focus a lot on quadratics. So we're going to go back and focus on a lot of the skills we've learned in level 1 and really get the skills of quadratics down packed. So in this first video, we're going to focus on some basic expanding. Expanding is a process of multiplying a term out front of a bracket by everything inside the brackets. For example, let's expand 2 bracket x plus 5. We're just going to multiply the 2 by the x to get 2x, and then multiply the 2 by that positive 5 to get positive 10. So we get 2x plus 10. All right, let's get into it. Example 1, expand 6x multiplied by 5x take away 7. So we're going to multiply everything out the front, 6x times 5x. That 6 times 5 is 30. And x times x is x squared, so we get 30x squared. Now we're going to multiply the 6x by the 7, but we're going to treat it as a negative 7, and a positive times a negative makes a negative. So 6x times negative 7 makes negative 42x, which we're going to write down as minus 42x. All right, example 2, let's expand this function and then we're going to simplify it. So 6 bracket 2x plus 5 plus 3 times 5 minus 2x. So let's start. 6 times 2x is 12x. 6 times this positive 5 makes positive 30, so we're going to write down plus 30. Now we're going to carry on. We're going to treat this as a positive 3 times 5 makes positive 15, so we're going to write down plus 15. And then positive 3 times 2x, but we're going to treat it as a negative 2x. Positive times a negative makes a negative, so we're going to write down minus 6x. Now we need to simplify it. We look for like terms, 12x subtract 6x leaves us with 6x, and positive 30 plus another 15 gives us positive 45 or plus 45. Right, our third example. Let's expand this function and then simplify it. 3 times 3x plus 5 subtract 6 times 2x minus 7. So let's start. 3 times 3x is 9x. 3 times this positive 5 makes positive 15, so we'll write down plus 15. Now, I want to treat this 6 here as a negative 6. So a negative 6 times positive 2x makes negative 12x. So we'll write down subtract 12x. And finally, we're going to treat this as a negative 6 and a negative 7. So negative 6 times negative 7 makes positive 42. Negative times a negative makes a positive. So we're going to write down plus 42. Now we're going to simplify it, look for like terms. So we have 9x subtract 12x. So 9 subtract 12 leaves us with negative 3x. And our plus 15 plus another 42 makes positive 57. So our final answer is negative 3x plus 57. Some people prefer to tidy that up and put the 57 first and write it as 57 subtract 3x. That's fine as well. All right, this is our first video, so thanks very much for watching.